uzise, because no ophuza kimi akaphindome naphakade. What did no mama say? You do not have anything to draw water with. What if you do not talk about Julie? How I sitting what's it to just before I give you this water, go and call your husband. What to let's fast and what to consider now number 5, now no 39 is not your man. What you're including them with from being a Jew to being said, from being said, where said I see and I perceive over to a prophet. What he is more than a Jew, he is more than said, he is more than a prophet. And Jesus said, I am more than that. When said, you know, Mama, we know when the Christ has come. And he introduced himself and he said, I am he whom you are speaking to. And then the community, I am, he come and show the boss. What you call I am that I am has sent you. It is a name that means God. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, they might have to wait on their introduction. What dawa hitakaza dawa hiyo. Wefela hitakaza imefele. Wamacho mamazambabe. Wakosha na utimeso kamanza. Washiyumpado emova. Kama setange neno I am that I am. Usetange neno kibuya. Kibuya. Usetange neno tala. Unezifo. Waabebebesa. Wasane nisabana. Wasane nisabana. I have found the man of my salvation. I have found the Lamb of God. I have found the Christ. Simone Cristo.